Okay, folks, looking at solving a pair of simultaneous equations for your upcoming paper 2 Excel, okay, or paper 3 at Excel, okay, and also OCR. Okay, now a little disclaimer, guys, a little point I should make is that now, obviously, we're obviously looking at different topics with different boards. Okay, don't worry too much here. Obviously, if it's been covered in your paper, that's fine. Obviously, if it hasn't been covered, then obviously make your appropriate notes as usual. If it has come up, obviously watch it in full anyway, because it's good practice. Okay, because it may come up here in like a worded format or a different format, okay, for your papers 2 and papers 3. But yeah, just obviously do your practice here and do your prep. And obviously go and check out your Abdallah W playlist or paper list, okay, and first class maths here as well, okay, on their website here or on YouTube. And looking at solving simultaneous equations in this video, okay. So, we're asked to solve the simultaneous equations 3x minus 5y equals 22, 7x plus 10y equals 8. Now, I'm going to multiply equation 1, so I'm going to label this equation 1. I'm going to have this equation 2. I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. Okay, you'll see why in just a moment to why I've actually done that. So we're going to have 6x minus 10y is equal to 44. Okay, so I've times everything by 2. Okay, I've multiplied everything by 2. I've doubled everything. Okay, now I'm going to keep the second equation the same. So I'm going to have 7x plus 10y is equal to 8. Okay, what's next, guys? Well, here, okay, I've got the same coefficient, okay, of y but different signs. So the key here is I'm going to add the equations, okay, because that's going to eliminate the y variables. So I'm going to do I'm going to label this equation 3, and I'm going to keep that as 2 for the meantime. So I'm going to do equation 3 plus equation 2, or equation 2 plus equation 3. Okay, either way it's fine. Okay, so when the signs are different with the same coefficient of the letter, then you add it. If the signs are the same, then you subtract. Okay, so this is the elimination method. So 6x plus 7x makes 13x, guys. Okay, minus 10y plus 10y, obviously that obviously goes to 0, hence why we obviously call it elimination. So it's been eliminated. That's equal to 44 plus 8, that'll be equal to 52, okay, if I'm not mistaken. Divide it by 13, it's not very obvious. We're going to get x is equal to 4. Okay? 52 13ths, okay, equals 4. Okay? What's next? Well, I'm now going to substitute in x equals 4 into, let's go for equation 2, okay, just for this, sake of practice. So 7 times 4, that's going to be 28. So 28 plus 10y is equal to 8. I'm now going to take 28 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract here 28 on both sides to balance each side respectively. We're going to have 10 lots of y. 10y is equal to 8 minus 20. Okay, so obviously be careful. That'll give you minus 20 or negative 20. Divide through by 10. Get y is equal to minus 20 tenths, which is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So my solutions are x equals 4 and y equals minus 2. Now, one more note to actually make, guys, that the solutions is where the two lines intersect. Okay? So whenever you solve these equations, okay, where the lines intersect, okay. So you're gonna intersect somewhere here. Okay, obviously I'm making this up. Okay. So that's what we call the intersection. Okay, so whenever you solve a pair of simultaneous equations, is where the two lines, okay, or circle or quadratic or curve, whatever it is, that intersect one another. In this case, it crosses or intersects at one point. That's 4 minus 2. So that, guys, is how we solve a pair of simultaneous equations algebraically using the elimination method. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.